what's going on? So today we got a video by Bodycam Files. I don't think I've ever seen any of their videos, so this will be the first time. The title is called Entitled Woman Acts Tough with Cop, Turn Citation into Arrest. So man, it's definitely about to get spicy. It's about to get real interesting.
September 11th, police conducted a traffic stop on a vehicle for an improper lane change.
Ask who attacked him back there.
First off, why are we getting this dude's body cam that's back here? Like, why are we not getting the body cam of the actual officer that's conducting the stop? Like, come on, body cam file. This is my first time reacting to y'all boys, man. Y'all gotta, yo, what? Is this gonna switch to the other body cam? Like, because you can't even hear what's going on.
But I'm not a bad person. Hey, hi. Listen, hi.
Okay, here we go. Here we go.
My hand.
I see your hand.
I'm not gonna be a bad person.
That's
Listen,
good.
I tell the truth. I'm an honest and regular human being who tells the truth, and I don't want to get in trouble. I just want to go home. Wait, I didn't even drink out here. I didn't even fucking drink out here. I just came to pick up my friend. I just want to go home. I just want to go home.
I didn't stop you, ma'am. I don't know why they stopped
No,
you.
you didn't stop me, but I just want to go home, okay?
Stay in the car.
No, I'm not going to go. I'm not going to go out. I'm not going to go out.
Get in the car.
Can I? Hey, don't be mean to me. I
Then
didn't do
listen.
nothing.
Then listen.
I didn't do anything wrong. Don't talk to me like that. I don't like that. I didn't do nothing wrong. Don't talk to me like that.
Sit down, ma'am.
I'm sitting down. Look.
Don't touch me.
I would never.
You just
I
did.
did on purpose. Never. Look.
She talking about she didn't even come out here and drink out here, but you definitely had some drinks. I don't know if it was back at the crib or what, but you are definitely under the influence. You're not even following directions. Like, even if you smacked, right? There's people that get pulled over by the police, right? That actually are smacked, but they could pass like the little tests and stuff that they do. You know what I'm saying? You know why?
I know you're enjoying the video. I'm sorry that I had to interrupt, but I just wanted to tell you that we now have members only content. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit that bell notification, and make sure you hit right here, join, right? We have supporter, gives you certain perks as far as emojis, badges, and stuff like that. Then we have early access, which is you have early access to the videos that will be coming up on the channel, plus whatever comes in the supporter package. And then you have VIP, which you get everything in the supporter package and in early access, but alongside members only live streams. You can join me on the live stream if you want. And we have exclusive, and I mean exclusive, members only videos. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and make sure you join the members only.
By not saying much, not doing much movement. The more that you do all the extra stuff, it just builds up their case for why they probably gonna take you in for something else. You know what I'm saying? Why this is gonna turn into, you know, a bigger deal than what it really is.
See? I swear I don't mean nothing bad by you.
Sit down.
Okay. I want to go though. Oh, no. Yeah.
Did you already talk to him?
No,
Yeah, I gotta
the
go.
other guy.
Quick.
No, it wasn't me, you guy. Hi.
What's going on?
I just want to go home. I don't have nothing. I just talk a lot of shit. I just talk a lot. I talk too much.
What's your name?
Tobian.
What is it?
Tobian.
Tobian?
And.
Tobian, I'm sorry.
Yeah.
It's loud out here.
Yeah.
What's going on?
I don't know. I think they feel like I don't win. Can I go? Can I go? Yeah, nobody's telling me. I'm here to pick up somebody, bro. I'm not even.
Where are you coming from?
I'm everywhere. What the fuck? We are apart. I'm here to pick someone up.
Okay. So where are you coming from before? I'd say
My
coming down.
house.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I live like 2 minutes away.
Where do you live at?
Like right on 13th Street.
Okay.
I did.
Okay.
You have my ID. Yeah. This is look. I just want to. He doesn't like me. I don't know.
Well, I don't know what his
I
I'm
don't
trying to
know.
talk to you.
Listen.
Where,
Can I like put my butt right here?
where are we Dukes of Hazzard in here?
I just right. Straight to
So yeah, why don't you just step all the way out?
No.
Well, you're
Why?
Why would you want to sit like that?
Because it's more comfortable.
Kind of.
And my booty look good.
Well, do you have any medical issues?
No.
No?
Why could I?
Oh, I ain't gonna lie, that thing fat, boy. Hold up, boy. We go, oh, yo, you know what's crazy? Everybody be rewinding this. You see on the waves, like when you go on the timeline, you can see like the most parts that are replayed and stuff. Like, yeah, I know motherfuckers rewinding this back. Hold up. They go, what? Okay.
Yeah.
No.
Well, you're
Why?
Why would you want to sit like that?
Because it's more comfortable.
Kind of.
And my booty look good.
Well, do you have any medical issues?
No.
No?
Why could I look crazy?
Well, you're kind of acting a little
Oh, I'm sorry.
erratic.
I was only doing that because we're Ivor. Come on. All right, I'll be good. I'll be good.
Are you diagnosed with anything?
No, I've never been diagnosed with anything.
Okay.
There's nothing on my record.
Okay.
Period. I do that consciously
Okay.
because I understand.
Do you take any kind of medication?
No, not at all.
Okay. Do you have any kind
I
of
have no types of medical anything at all.
Okay.
Do not put that on me, sir.
What am I putting on you?
Whatever it is that you're trying to put on me right now, I'm perfectly sane.
Okay. Well, I'm not saying otherwise.
Perfectly sane. Hold on, can I talk to your microphone?
No, here. Actually,
I'm not gonna touch
Step
you.
out real quick.
No, sir. Unless you want me, you can have me. But I'm not stepping out of anything because I'm perfectly safe.
That's fine.
How dare you?
Can I check your eyes as part of field sobriety to make sure that you're
I
okay to
don't
be
know if
driving?
I have it on me.
You don't know if you have any eyes on you?
I have 2 of them.
Yeah, can I check them as part of field sobriety?
Oh yes, please.
Okay. Can you step outside so I can
No.
do it?
No.
Okay.
I'm not doing that.
Okay. Do you wear glasses or contacts?
Sometimes.
Well, are you
But
wearing them
they're-
right now?
No.
Okay.
They're colored contacts because I like green eyes.
Okay.
Stop fucking playing with me, sir. You have a fucking mustache and I don't trust you.
Well, I'm sorry that you feel that
Do
way.
you have a fucking cam on you? Because I want the cam to be catching all of
I
this.
believe that it is.
I don't trust him.
Okay. Here, listen. Can you see my light right here?
Yes.
What color is it?
Bro, the fact that that's like the 3rd time she's touched the camera, bro. If that was a dude, This is what I mean, and this is what I don't like. I mean, the rules are not balanced. If girls can get away with so much more when it comes to, you know, breaking the law or whatever the case may be, then guys can. You think they letting a guy act like this? Honestly, think about it. While they're doing their little investigation, whatever, if that was a guy, you think that they're letting the guy act like this, sit on the door, touch the camera and all this other stuff, yelling and all that? They're not letting that go down like that if that's a guy.
Red.
All right, what I want you to do is focus on my light.
Should I?
Well, I'd like you to.
Yeah, you'd like me to, but I don't want to because I don't trust you.
Well, here's what's going on, okay? Right now,
Okay, touch me.
There's a possibility that
Can
you're
I
impaired.
hug you? No,
So
I'm not even the driver.
Well, I would like to check your eyes. As
I'm
part of
not
field
the
sobriety.
driver, so you don't get to determine whether I'm impaired or not.
Listen, I'd like you to do
Am
some
I
field
impaired?
sobriety
Or does it actually fucking matter that I'm actually impaired or not?
Okay.
I'm not the driver of this car.
If you don't do the exercises, what it does is it puts me in a position to where I'd have to make a decision to arrest you or not, based off of everything
I am
I've
not
seen thus far.
impaired.
Okay.
I am not the driver of this car.
So will you participate in the exercises?
Hold
for me?
up now.
Because
Hold up now. See, look. This is the most replayed part. Look. Hold up. We gotta rewind that now. Hold on now.
it doesn't actually fucking matter that I'm actually impaired or not.
Okay.
I'm not the driver of this car.
If you don't do the exercises, what it does is it
I'm
puts
not
me in a
the-
position to where
I'm
I'd have
not
to make
the-
a decision
I am
to
not-
arrest you or not, based off of everything
I am
I've
not
seen thus far.
impaired.
Okay.
I am not the driver of this car.
So will you participate in the exercises for me?
No, because you. Oh, fuck me. Okay, but I'm not the driver. But if I chose to actually attack or whatever the fuck it is that you're asking me, let me go. I'm asking a real ass question. Let me go. No, I want to ask you a question before I do that. No, I'm not under arrest.
You are. That's what handcuffs mean.
No. Why am I under arrest?
Oh, they got the undercover
I was not driving.
cars out.
Driving? No. DUI means driving under intoxication. Driving under intoxication. I was not driving. Stop it.
Hey!
Yeah, let me go.
Do not bite me.
Let me go. Let me go. I was not driving. I was not driving.
Wait, he's free. Come on the other side.
Is it really that serious? I was not driving.
But you're on the side.
I was not driving. I was not.
All right, can you hear me?
Of course I can fucking hear you.
Okay. I'm Officer Baden of the Tampa
I don't
Police
give a
Department.
fuck who you are.
I'm now
Fuck
requesting that you
fucking
submit
piece
to a
of
lawful
shit.
test to your breath
I
for the
hate you.
purpose of determining its
I wanna
alcohol
fuck-
content.
I hate you
If
so
you fail to
fucking
submit
much.
to the
I
test I
didn't do
request of
nothing
you,
to
your privilege to operate a motor
I didn't do
vehicle will
anything.
be suspended for a period of 1 year
Fuck
for a first
you.
refusal, or 18 months if your privilege has been previously suspended as a result of refusal to submit to a lawful test of breath, urine, and blood. Additionally, if you refuse to submit to the test I requested, and if your driving privilege has been previously suspended for a prior refusal to submit to a lawful
Let
test
me go.
of your breath, urine, or blood, you'll be committing a
I don't
misdemeanor.
want to fucking talk to you.
Refusing to
Fuck
submit to
you.
testing is admissible as evidence in a criminal proceeding. We provide a breath sample. Do you want to provide a breath sample?
Fuck you.
Okay.
I hate you. I didn't do anything to you.
Hey, will you sign one for me?
I didn't do anything. I didn't do anything.
I can't hear you. What? Yeah. I'm gonna be here for a minute. I'm just gonna drop her off on this side now.
I didn't do anything. Ow. Ow.
she's got one Batleo already. She's on some kind of something. She's all over the place. So.
Tobian was charged with battery, resisting arrest without violence, and driving under the influence. She was found guilty on all 3 charges.
Whoa, wait. She was found guilty on... Wait, what?
Tobian was charged with battery, resisting arrest without violence, and driving under the influence. She was found guilty on all 3 charges.
Damn. And then where did the black eye come from? Look at her face. Y'all see her face? Where'd that come from? Yo, boy. Yeah, boy. I don't want to end up in no jail, bruh.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.